Morning, guys. So we here at the gas station filling up. We're filling up Smoky. Smoky take a lot of gas, guys. It takes 120 bucks or somewhere there about to fill. It's off, so you ain't gonna see it. But yeah, let me see if I could catch up with what's going on. So this morning, got up early, went to the salon, did a little cleanup. I didn't show that or film that this morning. I just got up and get out and did what I had to do. But we're here filling up. I'm heading back home. I'm trying to go back and forth with the health department. Not trying, I'm going back and forth with the health department as far as the plans. The architect made some corrections, so I'm about to submit that today to see if we could get them to sign off on that part of it. I need the health department to sign off on those plans. That way I could send it over to Swanee and get our building permit. So that's where I'm at. So I'm heading over to the house now to send some emails and then get our day started. Stay tuned, guys. Like this guy's pump still going. Gas is expensive, guys, so pretty much it's like $3.30, $3.40 over here. Let me see, it's $3.27 for diesel over here. But on the west coast, we're over here in the east coast. On the west coast, it's like $4 and change. Regular gas is like over $4. So it's $3.60 something here for premium gas, but over there in the west coast it's like $5, between $4 and change and maybe $6-7 over there in the west coast, like California side, Washington side. It's crazy expensive, guys. Gas is expensive here in America. I know some other countries it's way more expensive, and then you have some countries it's way more cheaper. But at the end of the day, we need gas to move around. Nothing is close by. We don't live in some small village over here. When you gotta go to the supermarket, it's far away. When you gotta go anywhere, you gotta do any business, it's miles away. So that's how America is set up, just in case you guys don't know. You gotta buy gas every day. So right now, took 108 bucks. Could take some more. I'm still pumping. I guess it takes 109 today. So it took 109. So in order to full Smoky, guys, it took 109 today. The gas here is a little bit cheaper today. Normally it's like $3.50. So like at the QT gas station I passed by, it was like $3.59 per gallon. So I found it at the Walmart right here for $3.27. So it only took $109. Normally it's like $120 at the regular gas station, but this gas station is a little bit cheaper. So that's why I was able to pay 10 bucks less. Hold on, guys, let me close the lid. Yeah, so yeah, gas is one of the biggest expenses in everyday life over here in America. It's put my seatbelt on. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I'm here in the Walmart parking lot. Walmart gas station, pretty much. So for those who don't know Walmart, so I'm always vlogging, but with the assumption that you guys know what Walmart is. So Walmart here in America, most of our audience is in the US, so they'll know what Walmart is. But as far as oh, they're working on the building. It looks like they took the sign down. Oh, there it is. They didn't take it down. So Walmart pretty much is it like a grocery store slash, they sell everything in there. So you want clothes, shoes. This I'm telling you is for the people who are outside of the United States who never came here before, that don't know what Walmart is. So Walmart is pretty much a grocery store, supermarket slash clothes, everything. They sell everything in there. Kitchen stuff, pots, pans, anything you could possibly think of that you need in your house, they sell it. Alright? So that's what Walmart pretty much is. You know, they have everything. So with that being said, that's what Walmart, and that's how I sum up Walmart. It's like an Amazon. So Amazon, you can go on the Amazon and buy anything, you know what I'm saying? Walmart has everything. They sell tires, they sell car parts, they sell a little bit of everything. Not a lot of car parts, but you get like oil and battery and tires and, you know, light bulbs, stuff like that from there. You know, you ain't gonna get no brake pads and stuff like that. Now you could go and get your car service, maybe they'll change the brake pads, I'm not sure. But they don't stock up, you know, parts for all these cars. Just the general parts, air filters and stuff like that you'll get from Walmart. But yeah, this is for the people who don't know what Walmart, that lives in another country, that don't know what a Walmart is, right? You guys see me go there in a couple of the vlogs, but I'm explaining what it is. As I said, anyone in America, they'll know what's going on. Maybe some people in America don't even know what a Walmart is, but this is for the people outside of America, the United States of America. But yeah, I'm on the road. I'm heading home. I'm gonna put together some emails and then go from there. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so we're gonna try this thing here. Then say fuse off on your faded lights. We'll try this one. This is what it look like. Guys, I think it's working. It's running off. It's melting off. All that is coming off. Let's see. It came off, guys. Look. It's coming off. It came off. I just gotta get something and soap it down. Let's see, it's melting off. It works, guys. Hold on 1 second. So it worked. It cleaned off all the yellow stuff. So what I'm gonna polish it now to get it nice and clear once it dries.